Hello there, welcome back Lead Code in Kannada YouTube ಚಾನಲ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗ ಸಂತೋಷ್. ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೇ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. The problem name itself says search an element, but we need to return the position of that. Nothing but we need to return the index. Okay. Given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value, return the index if target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. Okay. ಸೊ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಅರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟು ಈ ಅರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ದ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಇಫ್ ನಾಟ್ return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. Okay, so ille nodbodu there is no element to write, so we need to of course you can see here nums contain distinct values sorted in ascending order. We know that after 1 2 has to come, so of course we can return the index of that. Okay, nothing same. So there is a condition that we must write an algorithm with capital O of log n runtime complexity. Okay, so already now bala sati capital O of n capital O of log n time complexity problem na solve madidvi. So in this video I am going to demonstrate both ways. One is that capital O of n, okay, so it will take more time complexity, and the second one is capital O of log n, so it will take less time complexity to execute the program, right? Fine. So naniga capital O of n algorithm use ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So later we can solve the capital O of log n. Okay, of course capital O of n is greater than capital O of log n. Okay, keep it in mind that. Fine. So I just want to read all the elements to find, right? For I in range of length of nums. Okay, first condition first you can see the example one, right? So if nums of I is equals to target, I can return I. So I will get you can solve this example by this. Okay, if you look at this second one, if there is no element, since it's ascending order, so of course we can say that after 1 2 will come, right? So we are read each element one by one in ascending order. So if it is not equals the target is not equals to 1, of course it should be greater than 1. Okay, that's why we are using greater than or equals to target. So by this statement we can solve two examples. So you come here. Okay, it's if you have noticed here the target is 7 alwa. So if you want to read all the elements, it will, in order to insert it index, no, the range will exceeds. That's why we are going to return just return length of nums. So which means it has to be last element of the array. Okay, so ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ O of n ಅಂದರೆ we are read all the elements. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 4 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Suppose if n number of elements, we need to read all the elements. Just think about the time complex, how much time we require to read every element, right? Okay, so run ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I think 3 cases success, right? So this is the first case, this is the second case. So we are getting expected output, of course, even, even case 3 also. Okay, 4, fine. So I'm going to submit this one. You can see analysis complexity, right? You can see capital O of n, because we used for loop. We are we reading all the elements in the array. So okay, fine. So same thing, same problem, we can solve using the algorithm capital O of log n. Okay, this is a capital O of n is not efficient way to solve a problem. In the we can call it as in the binary search. Okay, so capital O of n is the not efficient way to solve, so that's why we are going to solve this in capital O of log n. This is capital O of log n is the efficient way to solve any binary search problems. Okay. Okay, so same problem as usual I have copied here, right? Okay, so as I already told you that I'm going to solve this time complexity capital O of log n, right? Again, space complexity will be capital O of n. So I've taken a random example, right? So here my algorithm is that I need to check, I need to continue the loop and till this satisfy. Okay, if it, that I will explain later. Okay, so the second one will be divide the array every time. Okay, third one will set right and left pointers every time. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ this is L, I will define it as L equals to 0 and R equals to length of nums minus 1. Okay, so simple. ನಾನು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ನಾನು L ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ 0 and right, this is the right pointer. I will put this right pointer here. There is one left pointer, there is one right pointer. Okay, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನು ನಾವು ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ I told you it will take no, more time complexity, right, in order to read each and every element. So ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, so I am going to divide. Okay, going to divide every okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೈಟ್ divided by 2. Okay, I will get mid. Okay, sorry, so I'm going to add this one and this one, I have divided it, so I will get somewhere here. Okay, fine. Okay, so ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮಿಡ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, L plus R. Okay, mid equals to L value is here 0 plus length of nums minus 1. What is the length of the nums here? I am taken as example, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, one second. Okay, 7, right? So if you're going to divide by 2, so your mid will be 3. Okay, so I'm going to take first integer after the decimals, right? Okay, before the decimal values, I'm taking the first element. I'm not going to take by 3.5, something like that. Okay, so I'm get mid right here. So already ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, so here is the, sorry, this is the mid element to me. Okay, so ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, so need to, so once I get the mid, I need to compare with target. What is the target now? 6. What is the value for the mid? 5, right? Check ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. If the target is equals to 6 or not. It's not equal. If it is equal, I can just return this index, not the element, this index. So this case is not success, right? So I need to check that whether, okay, so 6 is greater than 5. If 6 is greater than 5, okay, I will move the pointer. We'll move pointer of L towards right. Okay, so that case what I need to do, L equals to mid plus 1. So ಈಗ L value ಏನಾಯಿತು? What was the L value? Initially 0. What was the mid value? 3. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Now L value equals to 4. L value equals to 4 and R value equals to, as usual, that what is the length? 7. 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, sorry, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು usually length of R equals length of nums minus 1 ತಗೋಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 6. Even result will be same. 6 by 0 plus 6 divided by 2 equals of course 3. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ L value ಮತ್ತು R value change ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ divided the array every time and set right and left pointers. Okay, this is first time ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, second time division. Okay, mid equals to same as usual. ನಾವೇನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, L plus R divided by 2. L value ಏನಿದೆ? 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Of course, mid equals to 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay, mid equals to 5 now. So we are here. So what is a 5, right? So this time the mid value will be here. Okay, the element is 8. Okay, so what is the next thing we need to do? That what is the target is 6 now. What is the mid? We got it. What is the mid value? We got it 8, right? Okay, we got it 8 as a mid, right? So we need to check here whether this is equals to or not. This is, of course, it's not equal. If it is equal, we'll just return the mid in this case. Okay, so 6 is lesser than 8. Okay, if it is lesser than the target is lesser than the mid, we got it. So we are going to change the index of right pointer. Okay, here in the previous case, when it is greater than, I used to increment one element of the uh, pointer of the L. So if it is lesser than, okay, I'm going to -1. Okay, this time what is the mid right now? 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, of course L will be remain same. What is the L value right now? 4. Here is the 4. Okay, what is the R right now? R value will be mid -1 equals to, what is the mid? 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Fine. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so we are increased. Okay, so third time. Okay, third time division we are doing. Okay, mid equals to, is the values of L and R. 4 plus 4 divided by 2, it will be 4. The mid will be 4 here. Okay, so what is element for 4? 7. We got 7. Okay, so again we are checking whether this target is equals to that mid element. Now this mid element is 7 right now. Compare. It's not equal. If it is equal, we would have written the mid. So it's 6 is lesser than 7. Of course, when it is lesser than comes, we are going to change the pointer, right pointer. Okay, -1, of course. Fine. R value will be right now. Okay, L value will take as usual 4, and R value will be, what is the mid right now? 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, I think we solved this one. Okay, because this 6 is not present here. Okay, 6 is not present here. It should be next to you know already previous example ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರು ಲೆಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. even though it's not present, in the sense it's ascending order, it should be, the element should be here. Okay, after the index of 3. Okay, so in that case we are going to return L. Okay, if you return the L, the element has to place here. What is the L target? Is 6. Okay, until we get the element, we are keep doing these 3 things. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋನ್. ಓಕೆ, L equals to 4 and R equals to 3. L is greater than R. Okay, L is greater than R. So already ನಾವು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. while L lesser than R equals to R. So it's failed. The statement is failed. So it has to come from the loop, while loop, right? So we got we were going to return the value of L. Okay, fine. I think you guys got it, this one. I'll go to the coding part. Okay, so already I told that initially I will take L equals to 0 and R equals to length of nums minus 1. Okay, so already I told you this. Initially we have just set the left pointer equals to 0, right pointer will be the least one. Okay, so I'll use the statement that L, the loop has to be continue till when L is lesser than or equals to R. If L is greater than R, terminate the loop. Already I told you here, right? When this L is greater than R, it has to come out from the loop. Fine, I think you got it. So next what we are doing, every time we are going to, here the second one is divide the array every time, right? So I'm going to divide that, L plus R, okay, divided by 2. I am giving double slash, so I need only the first value of first integer, not to the factorial one. Okay, not to the decimal one, sorry. So initially I am checking if nums of mid equals to target, just return mid. Already I told you that I'm going to divide it if that mid element is equals to this target, whatever the target is given, I'm going to return the mid. So I don't want to read all the elements, right, this case. That's why I'm going to divide the array as much as I can. Okay, so else if nums of mid is okay, if greater than this target, what I was doing L equals to mid plus 1. When the number, right, the target in the number and it's greater than target, right, I'm going to increment the the pointer of no, sorry, I'm going to increment the left pointer. Okay, yes, there are only 3 cases I have checked. So again, of course, R equals to mid minus 1. Okay, so I told you at the last I need to return L. Did I shown you here, right? I supposed to the place has to be here. That's why I'm going to return L. Okay. Hope you guys are understand. I'm going to run this one. Okay. Okay, sorry. I need to change this one. Target. I'm comparing with the target only, right? Always I try to compare with target, not to the nums. So that was my mistake. If target is greater than nums of mid, what I'm supposed to do, I need to increment, or else I need to decrement the pointer of right. Okay. Okay, accepted. Fine, accepted, right? So this is the output, we got it. This is the expected output. So I'm going to submit it. Okay, accepted actually. So this is the capital O of log n is the best way to solve any binary search problems. Okay, I hope you guys liked it. um, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಯು ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಬಾಯ್.